Alright, Raven, let's show everybody how good you are at eating your food like a big girl. Gonna open up? Yeah. Such a big girl. Want some more? Yeah. Good apples, huh? You want one more bite? It's okay. Mmm, yummy apples. Yummy apples. One more bite. One more? One more? Gonna open up? Are we all done? One more? Mmm. Mmm, yummy apples. Yay. Apparently the spoon's good. No more? You are such a big eater. She has destroyed this baby food today. Yeah. Want some more? Alright. Say bye-bye, Raven. Say bye.